Activating the first employee in ViPeople. In the previous video, you learned how to enter initial HR data and create your very first employee. In this video, we'll walk you through how to activate that employee so they can log in and start using the system. Hello and welcome. You're now working with ViPeople, the HR management platform built for the community. With ViPeople, you can deploy the system on your own infrastructure, avoid third-party dependencies, maintain full control over your data and workflows, install everything with a single-click script, activating the employee. Once you log in with an admin account, you'll notice the newly created employee has a status of pending. You can find this employee in two places. In the employees list, filter by status, pending. On the dashboard under the New Employees section, How to Activate. There are two ways to activate an employee. Method A, from the Employees page, go to Employees and filter by pending. Select the employee you want to activate. Open the Action menu and choose Login Permission Enable. Enter their email and click Update checkmark. Method B, from the dashboard, go to Dashboard, Overview, New Employees, click the Activate button. Enter the employee's login email. Click Update right arrow. Both methods do the same thing. In this video, we'll demonstrate the process using the dashboard for simplicity. Verification process. Once you enter and update the email, the system generates a temporary password. It's sent to the employee via email. The employee opens the email, clicks the link, enters their email and temporary password, and logs in. After the first login, the system sends a verification email requiring the user to confirm their account to ensure the employee is actively working at your company. Once verified, the employee logs in again and completes the two-factor authentication security check. User experience after login. Once logged in, the system displays a menu tailored to the employee role. They'll only see their personal information such as check-in/checkout attendance, leave requests, overtime, health updates. All these features are easily accessible and manageable directly from their personal dashboard. Back to admin view. When you log back in as an admin, you'll see that the employee's status has changed from pending to active. Additional features are now available for that employee profile. And just like that, you've successfully activated your first employee in the ViPeople system. Summary: you've completed activating your first employee, enabling them to securely log in and manage their own data. Spread the word about ViPeople to your community, friends, and partners. ViPeople empowers you to take full control of HR management with benefits like no maintenance fees, no vendor lock-in, no data loss worries, full autonomy. In the next video, we'll show you how to add another employee and assign them a manager role. Visit vipeople.netlify.app to download the installer. Need help? Use the support menu right inside the system. ViPeople, the HR for a new generation.